So this time we're going to find the product of the given polynomials. Okay, first distribute the given monomial to the given trinomial. So, monomial to the first term of the given trinomial muna. Okay, first, simplify the sign of the numerical coefficient. So, negative times negative, magiging positive siya. Then, 7 times 4. Okay, sa first term, anak, kapag positive, do we need to write positive sign? No need na po, ha? Then, after getting the product of the numerical coefficient, identify if they have the same variables. Do we have? What variable? C and D. So, copy the same variables and add the exponent. So, simula tayo. 2 plus 1. Then, 2 plus 1. This is the product of the first term. So, we have 28C cubed D cubed. That proceed to the second term. Same procedure. Distribute the given monomial to the second term of the given trinomial. Negative times positive. Magiging negative na to, anak. And then, 7 times 6, 42. Then after that, identify ulit if they have the same variable. Do we have? What variable? C and D. Okay, so copy the same variable, C and D, and add the exponent. Okay, we have 2 plus 1, 3. And 2 plus 3, 5. This is the product of the second term. Now, proceed to the last term. Okay. Negative times negative. Magiging positive na siya. Then, 7 times 2. Now, do we have the same variable? What variable? Letter D. Then, anong gagawin anak kay letter C? Okay, si letter C dito ay i-bring down mo na lang po. And then, itong letter D na parehas sila ng variable, just copy the variable and add the exponent. So, 2 plus 1. Okay, so therefore, this is the product of the given polynomial.